Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 6, OV 89. तवतो बाबा अति कावले, काकांचिया अंगावर धावले, पाळणा सोडणे जागीच राहिले, वृत्तीवर आले बाबाही. Then Baba got very angry and rushed forward towards Kaka. The untying of the cradle was forgotten and Baba regained his composure. पुढे दुपारी आज्ञा पुसता, बाबा काय वदले आश्चर्यता, एव्हाच कैचा पाळणा सोडिता, आहे आवश्यकता अजून. When in the afternoon Baba's permission was sought, his answer surprised everyone. Why should you untie the cradle in such a hurry? It is still needed. ही आवश्यकता तरी कसली, अन्यथा नव्हे साई वचनावली, विचार करिता बुद्धी स्फुरली, सांगता न झाली उत्सवाची. What could this necessity be? Sai's words are never spoken in vain. When given thought, the realization dawned that the festival was not yet complete. येथवरी उत्सव झाला, दुसरा दिन जो नाही उगवला, नाही झाला जो गोपाळकाला, उत्सव सरला न म्हणावे. The festival had progressed up to a stage, but till the dawn of the next day and until the time of Gopal Kala, the festival could not be said to be complete. येणे प्रमाणे दुसरे दिनी, गोपाळ काला कीर्तन होनी, पाळणा मग सोडाया लागुनी, आज्ञा बाबांनी दिधली. In this way, on the second day, after the Gopal Kala and the Kirtan, Baba gave his consent to untie the cradle. पुढील वर्षी भीष्म नव्हते, बाळाबुवा सातार कराते, कीर्तनार्थ आणविते होते, जाणे कवठ्याते तयांना. Next year, Bhishma was not available. Balabuwa Satarkar was to be brought for the Kirtan, but he had to go to Kavthe. म्हणूनी बाळाबुवा भजनी, प्रसिद्ध अर्वाचीन तुका म्हणूनी, घेऊनी आले काका महाजनी, उत्सव त्या हातुनी करविला. Therefore, Balabuwa Bhajani, known as the modern Tukaram, was brought by Kaka Mahajani and the festival was performed at his hands. हे ही जरी मिळाले नसते, काकाच कीर्तनार्थ उभे राहते, दासगणुकृत आख्यान त्याते, पाठची होते नवमीचे. Even if he, that is Bhajani, had not been available, Kaka would have performed the Kirtan because he knew by heart the composition about Ram Navami composed by Dasganu. तिसरे वर्षी सातारकर, बाळाबुवांचेच शिर्डीवर, आगमन जाहले वेळेवर, कैसे सादर परिसाते. In the third year, Balabuwa Satarkar himself came to Shirdi in time for the occasion. Listen to that incident with respect. ऐकुनी साई बाबांची कीर्ती, दर्शन काम उद्भवला चित्ती, परी मार्गात पाहिजे संगती, लाभेल केवती ही इच्छा. Having heard of Sai Baba's fame, a desire arose to have his darshan, but he wanted company on the way and was wondering how he would find someone. बाळाबुवा स्वयं हरिदास, साताऱ्याकडे मूळ रहिवास, मुंबापुरी परिळास, होता निवास ये समयी. Balabua was himself a Haridas, that is, Kirtankar, who hailed from Satara, but was living in Parel at this time.